Creating variables. Variables are the container for storing data values. Means we can store any values such as x equal to 5. We assign x here for the value 5. Then this x is a variable. Here zone. This is a string. We assign string zone in the y. Therefore y is the variable. Means unlike other programming language, Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Means we assign x for value 5. Means this x is a variable. Here x equal to 5, y equal to zone. Print x. If this example can be run in the command line, then we can find a value. Print x means 5 and print y means zone. Variable do not need to be declared with any particular type. Means it does not have any particular type. It may be integer, it may be floating point, it may be string like zone, and can even change type after they have been set. Means we can change from one type to another. Means integer to string, string to integer. We'll learn that later. Variable do not need to be declared with a particular type and can be even changed after they have been set. Okay. Example: x equal to 4. X is type of integer, and int x means wrong. X equal to Sally. X is now a type of string. Means x here is type integer and x here is Sally is type string. Print x means we'll get an result 4. String variable can be declared either by using single or double quotes. Means we can use single quotes like here and double quotes like here. This can be same. This is same as this zone is same as this zone. Variable names. What is variable names? A variable can have a short name like x, y, z, or more descriptive name like age, car name, total volume, etc. Rules we have some rules to define Python variables. These are listed here. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore. Means we have to start a variable name with letter, not with number. Here, of variable name can't start with a number. Means we can't start our variable names with number. Means we can't assign any value in the number like 4, 5. That is not done in this variable. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric character and underscore. Means variable name only contain A to Z, means A to big Z and small z to small a to small z. 0 to 9 and underscore only. Variable names are case sensitive. Means age and age 3 are different variable. Means small age, capital Age and full capital Age are 3 different variables. Note: remember that Python variables are case sensitive. That means Python variable names are case sensitive. Means these 3 are different. Okay. Assign value to a multiple variables. Means we can assign values in multiple variables. Example: x, y, z equal to orange, banana and cherry. We can print x, y and z. Here print x means this and print y and so on. And you can assign the same value to a multiple variables in online. Here x in this example x means orange, y means banana, and z means cherry. And you can assign the same value to multiple variables in online. Means x equal to y equal to z equal to orange. If the print x is pressed, then orange is the output. Here also y print y means orange and print z means orange. Output variables. Here in the Python we use output variables for output statement means print. Here Python print statement is often used to output variables to combine both text variables. Python use plus character. Python is for plus character. Example: x equal to awesome. Print Python is plus x means here we assign output variable plus. This plus means awesome plus x awesome. Python is awesome. The output is here for Python is awesome. You can also use plus character. Plus character to add variable to another variable. If we want to add one variable to another variable, then we use plus character. Example: x equal to Python is, y equal to awesome, and z equal to x plus y. Here this printed z must be here. X plus y, then print z statement produce output Python is awesome. For example, for numbers, the plus character works as mathematical operator. Means x equal to 5, y equal to 10. Then print x plus y equal to 15. Here this plus character works as mathematical operator. If you try to combine a string and a number, Python will give you error. Means we can't use this character, this plus character to combine string and number. Means we can't use x equal to 5 and y equal to 1 and print x plus y. This will not produce a result. This will gives you error. Now we will do practical. Open your editor, then go to your terminal and open new terminal here. Means, or you can open your command line here. First of all, check your Python version. Sorry, pyt as well, Python dash dash version. Here this is my Python version 3.8.1. You can check your Python version. If there is not an Python installed in your computer, then you can install your Python manually, or I will make video for that. Now after that, print hello. Print hello. Here print hello world. This will produce hello world. That is the first example of Python. That is very easy example. You must you must type python here to run the python program, otherwise you will not able to produce output here. Print hello, this will unable to initialize device, so you must put python first to run the program here. Now here python variables means we use here x equal to 5, y equal to 10, print print x plus y. Yeah. This here x equal to 5, y equal to 10 and print x plus y means we are able to get here 15. This will add 5 plus 10. Here 5 is x is a variable where we store 5, and y is a variable, another variable which store value 10, and print x plus y equal to 10, or z equal to x plus y. Print z. This here we can use another variable z that uses x plus y. Two variable here plus a two variable, that is that is output variable plus used to combine two variables, that is x and y, and produce same result, that is 15. Now we will see the assign value to multiple variables. Okay, that is x comma y comma z equal to apple comma banana comma cherry. That is the example of third part, cherry. Then print x. Okay, this x means apple. We can use x, y and z, apples, banana and cherry, to produce the to assign a multiple variables in online. And another example, that is x equal to y equal to z equal to apple. Apple. Then print x, that produce apple. Print y, this will also produce apple. Print z, that is also produce apple. This is for today. In the next lecture we will learn about global variables. This one first.